Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, and we're back here for T3 Live. It is Tuesday. We've had a good two-day move, certainly across the board in the market. 2-3 day move, I would say. You know, it started on Thursday. You had some follow-through on Friday, and then we had some follow-through yesterday. Not necessarily in overall S&Ps, but certainly the stocks, best in breed. The technicals are setting up a little better than they have been. Understanding now we're almost at the overbought reading, which we could stay at for a period of time, but things have come a long way. You certainly need some digestion. Some things that have triggered yesterday, Apple triggered for a long play. I think the next move is 600. Obviously, I'd like to see it hold 578 just in general, and I think it's in good shape. Price line probably is going to hit a little resistance. I think it's at its 100-day, had a little bit of a move. I need a pullback to get involved in that. Other best-in-breed stocks that seem to be, new leaders, MLNX, I mentioned that before, SXCI. I'm not involved in either of them, but it's something that I would be looking for on a pullback. Expedia had another day of pullback after, broke out to new highs. Those are the type of plays I look for on pullbacks. 1-2 day pullbacks, I'll be buying Expedia. I'm in it in the swing, but at the same time, I'll be looking for it from a day trade point of view, and I think today might be that type of day. Knowing it's down a little bit, there might be a little bit overhead news we have to be aware of. Other ideas I'm looking at, I'm starting to see some strength in different sectors, and one of the sectors is retail, selectively, and home builder selectively. Right now I'm seeing Len, Rylan, Toll looks pretty good. Some of them need a little bit of time because they're at the top end of their bases, but I would be starting to concentrate on the home builders again. Retailer, I've been mentioning ROST seems best in breed. I'm starting to look at Ralph Lauren. Obviously, Under Armour, it's tremendous, and Lulu actually held its 200 days, so I think it's something that we should be concentrated on. Amazon also broke out yesterday above the 220 level, above a descending channel, bullish. I would wait for a pullback to get involved. Ideally, I'd like to see that happen. CMG, same type of play. Broke out a little bit. Like to see a little bit of a pullback. Understanding where we're at, you got to be a little bit more specific with your prices. We had a big few-day move, and at this point, digestion could be in the cards. But I think we're heading higher, at least temporarily. We were put at bay, at least with the news overseas. It's still going to be drumming up, and we're still going to be in that state where we could be have that big massive down day, but at the same time technicals are starting to set up a lot better. Banks are still not participating. That's really what's going to be keeping this market down. But I did see even the ag sector, which really has been lackluster, started looking okay. So MOS, AGU, just some other ideas that are off the beaten path for us to look at. So this morning I'm going to be looking for little opportunities for us to really get involved, still from the long side. Obviously, I'll mention Facebook. It had a good 3-day trade. It triggered on Thursday, followed through on Friday. I sold a bunch yesterday. I still have some options, but at the same time, it could get to 32.50. Let it digest here a little bit, and we'll have to wait and see. Same thing with LinkedIn. It just moved to from 97 to 105. Needs some digestion, some back and filling. Ideally, if it can get back to 199, I'll probably look to get involved. Overall, guys, this market seems to be trending higher, but understand you now could be in the 7th inning of a few-day move. So you don't want to really put all your marbles in one basket. You want to take a little bit of a step back, take some trades, be a little bit more agile, and we'll have to wait and see. But technically, we're right at the 50-day on the S&Ps. We could bounce a little bit above there, but overall, I'm still bullish, but at the same time, bullish with a tier 1, tier 2 approach. I'm not all in at this point in time. Good luck today, and stay tuned to the BTF.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman, CEO of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for you to recognize, adapt, and ultimately take advantage of different market conditions. To begin your training with T3 Live, we would like to offer you the opportunity to enroll in our free 30-day online home study course. Fill in your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.